How to do this? How to open this? Oh no! Hala? Saan man eh? Saan man eh? Hi mga barbs! It's me, Barbie Gaguba, and welcome back to my channel. So today, we'll do our unboxing of our newly purchased ring light. Charot. So this is a very cheap ring light.
Ginagawa mo.
So let us see if it is good. Though budget friendly siya. Let's see kung it is really very good ba. Okay, so we will open first the ring. This one. So this is 26 centimeter. You have there the ring light supplement lamp is suitable for selfie and live video streaming, etc. So, okay, ring light. So it will help us in our daily vlogging. So here it is, yeah. So there you are. So this is the ring. And then siya this one. Okay. So after we unbox this one, we will install it later. This is unboxing and installing. So let us see kung kaya natin to. This is the stand. So actually, it arrived. Pasensya na po kayo sa mga manik, manok siya. Kasi maiingay sila. So, don't mind them na lang, ha? Wala, ano to? How to do this? How to open this? Wala. Is this like that? Oh, so it will taas pala, mataas pala siya. Taas pala siya, guys. Like this. And how to open this one? Like that. There you are, like this pala, oh. Like that. So now I know. We will install this one. We have here this one. So we will discover na lang later kung saan ko lalagay. This one too. Para siyang joint. Rotational joint or tube. Okay. So let's have this one. Like, wala. So we have to open like that. So ayan, install na natin ang tama ba to? The mirror. like that. I know the mirror, the ring light. No? Wrong. Wrong pala siya. Barbs. So, ito muna first pala. Like that. And, ito siya. Like that. And last one is this one. So, on. Ah, oh my god! Oh my god! There is the light now. Oh, it's so very light talaga. It's so very very light. Yeah.
Ano daw?
Like that. Change light. Brightest to. Okay, right? So what is this switch for? Oh my god, it's like that. It changed color. Ganyan ba tayo ng mga Tagaw, no? And, oh my god, it changed color again. So there you are mga barbs. I tried it na. So I'm done installing and then I'm done unboxing. Yeah. So medyo nahirapan tayo sa installing a little bit pero naging okay naman siya. So yeah, I tried na the lights. If kumusta yung pagmumukha natin sa harap ng camera with the ring light na. Okay. So let us try if walang ring light. Okay. So, yan po yung pagmumukha natin kung walang ring light. So, hindi po. Though, nakaharap po ako sa may mirror, sa may bintana. So, natural light lang po yung meron. So, let us try to use the ring light, no? Oh my god, it's not working. Yeah. So, there you are mga barbs. So, look at our face. Oh my god. So there you are. Let's try another one. Okay, so this is the warm light. I don't know what's the term, no? Professional terms they are using, but that's it. The warm light. Look at our, oh my god. And then the other one, yeah. I don't know, natural light. What's that? I don't know what's the term for that one. Basta, hindi na po tayo mag-worry kung if we're going to make our mga upcoming pa nga mga photo shoots, mga vlogs, mga selfies, mga TikTok videos, since we have already this ring light. So there you are, mga barbs. So if you are going to ask the price for this one, so this is just only affordable. Kaya lang po sa bulsa, especially if you are a small time YouTuber or mga nagsastart ka pa lang sa pag-vlog. So this is just very affordable. So it's only worth 500 pesos. Okay, so 500 lang po siya. So ayan na po. So may magagamit na po tayo sa mga upcoming pa nating mga videos o mga vlogs po natin. So, hindi na po tayo na mahihirapan pa magkuha ng videos if wala tayong lights, especially sa loob ng bahay, no? So, because we have this already, oh my god. So, this is just my first time na maka-avail tayo ng ganito, no? So, nag-start because we're just yet nagsa-start pa lang po tayong mag-vlog. So, at least, little by little, so, nakukuha na po natin yung mga ginagamit ng mga big-time vloggers. Though, cheap lang siya. Pero, at least, we have this gema-gema na sa ating mga life, no? So, ayan. So, I'm very much happy na meron na po akong ganito. So, meron na po akong magagamit pa sa mga upcoming videos ko. Okay, so that's all for today. So, we are done now with our unboxing. Pasensya na po kayo sa mga manok. Kasi po, marami po kami mga dito, mga manok. Maingay. Mga manok namin, maingay. So, pasensya na po. Ingay mga friend. Okay ha? So, thank you for watching this video. The unboxing and installing my ring light. So, sa mga upcoming ko pa mga videos, so to keep you notified, do not forget to click the notification bell to keep you updated sa mga upcoming ko pa mga videos. And then, if you are new to this channel, so do not forget also to subscribe. So click the red button there, sa baba. And sa mga upcoming ko pa mga videos, so just leave a comment there sa comment box sa mga gusto nyo mga gagawin ko pa, mga challenge. I'm willing to do that para lang sa inyo, mga barbs. So, shout out. Shout out po ako sa mga lahat ng mga nanonood, especially to my baby boys. So, that's all for today. Thank you and goodbye.